This video is going to cover the very basic intro of how to sell AI employee services to small businesses, what AI employee services even means, what type of service is that, and how you can actually make money at it. So right now, what I really want to do is go over and focus for beginners, how you can actually start selling AI employee services to small businesses and why would they even want to buy it? So in order to do that, I have to kind of start a little bit of explaining. I kind of have to break down what the AI employee services is, what type of problems they solve for small businesses, and how you can capitalize that by starting a business where you can charge local business owners $500 or more every single month for the services I'm going to talk about in this video. And I'm even going to show you how it just takes minutes to set this up one time. And once you set this up once, you don't need to set it up again next month. It just continues to work for the customer. And you just continue to get paid $500 a month per client per month. Now, if that sounds like a good deal, let me at least show you. There's no selling in this at all. Just to let you know, I'm just here to inform you of a business opportunity that you can hop on that's very easy to do. And I'm even going to show you the software platform that I use to do it. So let me hop in and start showing you. So right now, I use a software platform called HighLevel. Now, HighLevel has a lot of built-in AI tools that particularly are all focused around an AI employee. And I'm going to dig into that with this particular graphic here. I've got several things I want to explain to you, but we're going to take it step by step so I can show you what AI employee does and how it solves certain business problems for certain parts of the business. Now, right now, the very first thing I want to go over is small businesses have one main problem of being able to answer their phones all the time. Now, if you've dealt with businesses, you know you've called somebody, you might have needed a plumber, an electrician, a pest control. You might have just tried to call a service provider and they did not answer the phone. You got their voicemail. Very frustrating. Now, as a consumer, what did you end up doing? If you really needed somebody, if you really needed a plumber, your kitchen sink is leaking or something is going crazy, you need somebody out now, you're going to move on to the next person on the list, and you're going to keep calling somebody until that another person answers that can come out and help you. So the first part of AI employee deals with being able to handle the voice inbound calls, being able to answer the phone 24/7, not only just answer the phone, be able to answer questions, be able to gather lead information, and even potentially being able to book an appointment if that's what you want. But the AI employee inside of HighLevel can do all of that. So again, one part of AI employee handles phone calls. So inbound calls 24/7, no need of an after hours call center anymore. So if you have businesses that use that particular service, they can cancel that and you can incorporate that cost into what you're charging them for this service. And again, it qualifies leads, it gathers information, it books appointments, and it actually stores that customer information into a CRM, which is a customer relationship management, or just a place where businesses can store all of their contact records. Now, this is what makes HighLevel different than other AI tools. I'm not talking about tools that you can create a graphic with or edit videos or do other cool things with. I'm not here to, these are very simple systems that you can just simply click, configure a few items in a few minutes, and then this problem is solved for small businesses. And then you can start charging them every single month for it. But voice AI is the first part. And HighLevel has all of these other features built in it. The CRM, it has calendars built in it. It has a phone system built in it. So you can even have a phone number inside of HighLevel. So again, voice AI is one part, but this is what makes HighLevel distinct because it has all the components that small businesses need in one system. I don't need to go out and get 3 or 4 different pieces of software and try to connect them all together and try to manage that. That would just be an absolute nightmare. So this is one part. Now, again, imagine if this AI employee can also handle your website visitors. So if we take a look here, this right here is the AI web chat widget. So the same AI that can answer the phone is the same automated system that can reply to questions and answers, book appointment, gather lead information directly from your business's website. When people look up a business on Google, one of the first things they do is go to the website. Does it look professional? Does it look crappy? And if it is professional, can they get the information that they need? Do they provide the services that the customer is looking for? So one way of providing this information is through an AI chat widget that they can click on. You've probably seen that on websites down in the bottom right corner. You click on a button, it pops up a little box. You can type in your question and then an AI agent can then come back and respond, answer, and it can even give you answers to your questions It can gather your information, your first name, last name. It can ask you for all of that directly from the website, and it can actually book appointments. Now, a cool thing about this is that with HighLevel, you can actually configure a website chat widget to actually click and call, and it creates a call from the website, even from your mobile device. Creates a call without actually dialing a particular phone number. It can actually make a call to the same voice AI agent that I'm going to show you how to configure in just a few minutes. Customers on the website, they click on stuff, it makes a call, picks up with voice AI. Hello, you've reached Joe's Plumbing. How can I help you? So if that's the case, then, hey, I've got a problem with my kitchen sink. It's leaking. Can you help me? And it just continues to, I'm sorry about that. Let me gather some information. Let me get you an appointment book. And it does all of that directly from the particular website. So that way the person doesn't even have to look up or even place a phone call. The website chat widget can handle all of that. So again, this is part 2 of the AI employee package, if you will. So again, just think about this, $500 a month. What would a small business pay for this particular service? I know right now there are website chat widgets out there that are charging $300 to $500 a month just for this one service alone. This is just for a chat widget on your particular website that can do what I just told you it can do. Now, if you start looking at this whole system, you start seeing the power of why small businesses would easily spend $500 on this. Because keep in mind, what if they had to hire a receptionist to answer the phone? Imagine if somebody called after hours, then they would have to pay another $100, $200 a month for an after hours call center that's only going to do the exact same thing that voice AI can do, but voice AI can actually book the appointment, whereas the call center will not be able to do that. They're not able to schedule that. So again, what would that receptionist cost just during business hours? Let's just say $15 an hour times 40 hours a week. Let's just call it $500 a week. That's $2,000 a month. You can see how if you can have an AI employee can sit back and answer phone calls, deal with the website chat widget, and I haven't even gotten to the third part yet. But just doing those 2 things alone, well worth $500. And the cool thing about this is that setting up all of these components I'm talking about takes less than 30 minutes to get these set up inside of HighLevel once you have an account. And the cool thing about it is if you sign up for HighLevel using the link in the video description, I give you all of this stuff already pre-built. You don't even have to build it. You can just simply copy and paste the stuff that I give you and be up and running to starting your own AI services business easily within 1 business day. So that right there is the cool part of how HighLevel works and why this AI employee can solve so many business problems that the business will be happy to pay you $500 a month. As a matter of fact, it's not even really selling this service to small businesses. You're just simply offering to help them stop losing customers. That's all you're doing. You're putting a system in place, an automated AI system that stops them from continuing to lose customers every single day when they can't pick up that phone and answer. So let's sit back and take a look at the third one. Now, the third option, keep in mind, all of these do different things, okay? That's why they're different components. But all of these components work as part of one AI employee. Think about it as one brain, one sort of virtual AI that does all of this stuff, okay? So the next piece is conversation AI. Now, this is a piece inside of HighLevel that does communications with other communication mechanisms. The voice AI handles phone calls, the website chat widget, that right there handles the communication on a website. But what if customers text your business? What if they go on Facebook to your Facebook business page and they send you a message? What if they go to your Instagram page? What if they directly email you from your listing saying, hey, I need something, and people just email you wanting to get information? Now, HighLevel actually has a conversation AI piece that can handle the automation of all of those. So the business owner, doesn't have to sit back and respond to text messages after they respond to all of their phone calls and missed calls that they get every day. They don't have to do that. They don't have to check their Facebook Messenger every day to see if they miss messages from Facebook or Instagram or even their email. All of this stuff can be completely automated, and the same AI brain that handles all the other stuff can respond to all of these other communication mechanisms. And the cool thing about this, the reason I enjoy this, I love this so much, is because you're dealing with one platform, okay? And you could charge your customer whatever you want. $500 is literally just a minimum. If you start combining these and you start doing some other automations and you have calendaring, things like that, you can start charging $500, $700, even up to $1,000 a month. Because keep in mind, these businesses, how much is a customer worth to these businesses? If you're an electrician and you're going to have your whole electric panel changed, that project could be $4,000 that they just lost because that customer wanted a new 200 amp electric box and they wanted to upgrade from their 100 amp. Now that $4,000 customer is lost to this. And that's just one customer, one call for one day a month. Imagine how many calls are losing every single day, not just Monday through Friday during business hours. You also have to consider after hours. You also have to consider on weekends. You can set this automation up to contact people if a particular service provider has a 24/7 service. But the biggest thing is putting this AI system in place is so cool. And once you show it to the business owner, it pretty much sells itself. And again, worst case scenario, if the business owner doesn't really want it, offer them a free trial for a week. Let them see it in action. Let them see how well it works, and you'll easily convert them into a customer. So this right here is just the basics of AI employee. Now, like I told you, I want to show you how easy it is to set up one of these voice AI agents. Now, I'm not going to go through and keep you on the video here to show you how to configure all the components, but I think once you see how I can configure one, just take my word for it. The other components just take a few minutes to configure, just like this. So let's hop in and take a look. So right now, I'm going to come down to the AI agents area, and I'm going to come over to voice AI, and I'm going to sit back and say create from scratch. And I'm not going to use any templates or anything like that because I want to show you how quickly you can put this in place. So right now I clicked one button. I'm going to click another one. Now this is going to take me to the agent information. I can simply call it whatever I want. I'm going to change the name here to Joe's Plumbing. So right now that's Joe's Plumbing. We're going to be dealing with English. I'm going to leave the voice Jessica here, but if you didn't want Jessica, you can open this up and choose many others if you wanted to. So right now we're going to leave the Chat GPT model here, and we're going to leave everything else the same. You'd of course want to change the time zone to whatever time zone your customer is in. That way, if you ever do schedule appointments, the appointment can be at the right time. And we're going to change the intro here. Now, this is because I'm using a demo account, but I'm going to change the name here to the same name that we're using for this demo, Joe's Plumbing. So now the voice AI is going to say, hey, you've reached Joe's Plumbing. How can I help you today? So that's exactly what it's going to do. Now here, we're going to sit back, and here's one of the key things that might be a little bit technical. You have to give the AI a knowledge base. Think of the knowledge base as like pre-configured brain. You pretty much are configuring and giving AI a bunch of information. It's going to read it, absorb it, and then after that, it's going to know all about the business and be able to sit back and answer any questions. Now, the cool thing about this is you could change the knowledge base from a landscaper to a plumber to an electrician to a dentist if you wanted to. Just simply change the knowledge base and AI's brain, if you will. Now it's configured with new information. Just copy and paste it in your account, and you don't even have to configure that. Now, because we're dealing with plumbers, I'm going to choose a plumber's knowledge base. Just as easy as that. This is the plumbing business. If it was electrical business, we choose the electrical knowledge base. But that's all we're going to do. We're going to say, okay, I'm going to blow this up a little bit here and just say, I want to collect the name, the email address, the address, because if we're going to be servicing them, we want the address, and then the contacts issue. So we want to have all of that. So we're going to select that. We're going to leave this turned on. What this does is this sends the admin or the business owner an email with a transcript of every call that happens. So you keep the business owner completely in the loop about what's going on. And we're going to click next. Now here, I didn't really show you how to go back and configure a phone number, but please just understand, you go to the settings, you go to the phone number area, you pick a phone number with the area code that you want, you buy it. That takes about 3 minutes to do that. But for right now, I've already got a phone number selected here. So I'm going to choose that phone number. Now what this does, this assigns the AI agent that you're configuring to answer the phone number that you list here. Perfect. Now we want to make sure we uncheck this. This is a cool feature. Right now, by default, AI is enabled as a backup, meaning if the receptionist is already there and the receptionist doesn't answer in 3 or 4 rings, something like that, then the AI system picks up and answers the phone for you. So it's a backup. But I'm not going to do that because I want AI to be the primary person that answers the phone and does everything. So that's all we do on this particular screen here. And once we do that, we're going to scroll back out and we're going to click save. Now, believe it or not, that is it. Those steps right there, you configured how to actually have the voice AI agent answer the phone. Now, I'm not going to do this on this demo, but if you wanted to, it would take about another 2 minutes to go through and set up appointment booking here. But I just want to show you how easy it is to get the initial voice AI agent set up. And you could do this for any client one time, and you get paid month after month. You don't have to go back and edit this thing anymore, unless the client wants some kind of a change. And let's just say they want appointment booking, then you could set that up. But I just want to show you how this works. So right now, what I want to do is use this kind of area that we can actually test and see, just with what we've done so far, how this thing works. So I'm going to turn up my volume so we can hear this.
Hey, you have reached Joe's Plumbing. How can I help you today?
Yeah, just wanted to call and see if somebody can come out and help me with my kitchen sink. It's leaking and I need somebody to get it done as soon as possible.
Got it. Let's get this sorted for you. Can I start by getting your name, please?
Sure, my name is Ray O'Daniel.
Thanks, Ray. Could you share your email address so we can keep in touch about the service?
Sure, it's ray@gmail.com.
Got it. Thanks. Could you also provide your address so we know where to send our plumber?
Sure, 123 Main Street, Atlanta, Georgia.
Thanks. Just confirming, your address is 123 Main Street, Atlanta, Georgia, right?
Correct.
Perfect. Lastly, I've noted the issue with your kitchen sink leaking. We'll make sure someone gets out to you as soon as possible. A team member will reach out shortly to confirm the details and schedule. Thanks for calling Joe's Plumbing, Ray. Have a great day.
Thanks. So do you see that? That was a perfectly good conversation. Now, this is only one scenario. This is the one where the AI just simply notifies the admin or the people inside the office, whoever you want to. They're going to get an email with this particular problem. And it goes, hey, we got a new customer. They need to call back. And then somebody from the office can call them. This is scenario one. If you actually wanted to book the appointment again, it takes another 2 or 3 minutes to configure appointment booking on here. But after you do that, then the AI can actually say, hey, we could fit you in today at this time or tomorrow at this time. Which time works best for you? It would actually book the appointment. And once the appointment is booked, the person would get a confirmation email and they would get notifications as their appointment comes closer and closer. All of that stuff is automatically pre-built. Now, even if you're not a techie person, even if you've never dealt with technology, you could sit back and do exactly what I did. It doesn't take a lot of work. You just saw I checked a few things. Once you do this a couple of times, you're going to be a pro at it. And this is all it takes to get the voice AI system set up. Now, keep in mind the website chat widget. Let's just give that another 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. There are some customizations that you can put in the chat widget. You can customize colors, branding, images, and what the chat widget says, things like that. So let's just give that 10 minutes. Okay. I think this one right here, took us maybe 5 to get this done and set up. And now this can actually start working for the business and start answering the phone calls from the business. And then of course the conversation AI, let's give that another 10 minutes. So literally inside of 30 minutes, you can have all 3 of these components working here and you can start charging your client $500. Again, if it's a week trial, after the week is up, they'll start saying, man, this is great. I get appointments booked. I don't have to answer at the end of the day. I don't have 20 voicemails on my phone call to listen to. I don't feel bad that I miss calls and I'm losing business every day. Because believe it or not, that's what business owners think to themselves. They're thinking, every time I can't answer a phone call, I just lost money. And at the end of the day, that just wears on the business owner where you can come in and help them stop that from happening. Imagine how good it would feel if you could just come in and help them not feel like crap because they're doing their job and they can't answer the phone all the time. Pretty awesome feeling to sit back and help somebody and then have them pay you $500, $700 a month every single month. And all you have to do is set this up one time. So a couple things I want to leave you with here. Again, if you want to get started with this, I have a free training course that goes over in more detail about AI, how to price it, planning, and some other things. If you're interested, there's a free course in the description below. One thing I would really appreciate if you've learned something from here, if this educated you a little bit, even if you're not interested in high level, maybe you are interested in signing up, because if you are, please use my link. You get all the stuff I told you about, copy and paste it in your account, and you can get set up that much faster. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.